Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos, the English channel. My name is Alba, and in this tutorial you will learn how to make this bag, this shopping bag. This material is made with PET recycled bottles, and I thought that I could make a reusable shopping bag. If you are new in this channel, if you like this video, remember to subscribe and click on the bell to receive the notifications of my new videos, and remember that you can find in my website hundreds of knitting and crochet and amigurumi toy patterns with video tutorials, and you can also find lessons to learn how to crochet, how to knit and how to make amigurumis. Let's go now with the step by step. I use one ball of this yarn. Here you can see the specifications of this material. The size of the bag is 35 centimeters per 45 centimeters. I used a 5mm crochet hook, 4 stitch markers, a lighter to burn the tail of the material of the yarn, and scissors. Start from the bottom part of the bag, making a magic ring. In the magic ring you have to make 8 double crochet. Make a chain 3 and count this chain 3 as the first double crochet, so you have to make 7 more double crochet. Once you have the 8 double crochet, remember to make in the magic ring you have to pull the yarn to close the circle and make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain to close this circle. Row number 2, you have to start with a chain 3, and you can count this chain 3 as the first double crochet, and you have to make in this row 1 increase on each stitch. So in the same space make another double crochet. Remember, to make an increase you have to make 2 double crochet in the same space. Continue with 1 increase on each space, finishing with 8 increases. Once you have all the increases, you have to make a slip stitch to close the 2nd row. And start the row with a chain 3. On the 3rd row you have to make 1 double crochet and 1 increase. So you have the first double crochet with a chain 3, make 1 increase on the following space, and then continue repeating 1 double crochet and 1 increase to the end. 1 double crochet and 1 increase. On the following row you have to make 2 double crochet and 1 increase. repeating around 2 double crochet and 1 increase to the end. On the following row you have to start also with a chain 3 and make 3 double crochet and 1 increase, repeating around 3 double crochet and 1 increase. In my case I made increases to have 10 double crochet and 1 increase. You can make the base smaller or bigger if you want to make the back bigger or smaller. Remember that to make the increases I finished with 3 double crochet and 1 increase, and you have to continue making increases: 4 double crochet and 1 increase, 5 double crochet and 1 increase, 6 double crochet and 1 increase, 7 and 1 increase, 8 and 1 increase, 9 and 1 increase, and in my case I stopped with 10 double crochet and 1 increase. Now you have to make the lace part of the sides. Start with a chain 3, make a chain 1, skip 1 space and make 1 double crochet, and repeat to the end: chain 1, skip 1 space and 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 space and 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 space and 1 double crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. Once you are at the end, you have to make a slip stitch with the 3rd chain and start the 2nd row. You have to make a slip stitch on the chain 1 space and make a chain 3, chain 1 and make 1 double crochet on the chain 1 space. This is what you have to repeat to the end: chain 1 and 1 double crochet on the chain 1 space. Chain 1 and 1 double crochet on the chain 1 space. Chain 1 and 1 double crochet on the chain 1 space. Once you are at the end, you have to close with a slip stitch with a chain with a 3rd chain and start the 3rd row of the side as you made before. Make a slip stitch on the chain 1 space, start with a chain 3, then chain 1 and make 1 double crochet on the chain 1 space. Chain 1 and 1 double crochet on the chain 1 space. This is what you have to repeat to the end to make the 3rd row. You have to continue making the same, repeating the same to make the lace stitch. In my case I made 18 rows. and we have to start with the edge. Start with a chain 3 and make 1 double crochet on each chain 1 space and 1 double crochet on each double crochet, 1 double crochet on each stitch, 1 double crochet on the chain 1 space and 1 double crochet on the double crochet. Repeat the same to the end. Once you're at the end, make a slip stitch, and then you have to place a stitch marker in the middle of the back. And then count 8 stitches to the right. Place a stitch marker on the front part and on the back part of the back. Then count 8 stitches to the left of the center. Then place also a stitch marker on the front part and on the back part of the back. And then make single crochet to the first stitch marker. Make a chain 25, chain 25, continue making single crochet to the following stitch marker. Single crochet to the next stitch marker. Once you are at the stitch marker again, chain 25 again. Make a single crochet on the stitch marker and continue making single crochet to the end. Make a slip stitch, and we finish the back, the marked back, with another row with double crochet. Start with a chain 3, make 1 double crochet on each single crochet, 1 double crochet on each single crochet, and 1 double crochet on each chain, 1 double crochet on each chain, and continue making double crochet on the single crochet, 1 double crochet on the chain, and double crochet to the end. And you can now cut the yarn. Remember, with a lighter you should burn, in this case, this material to secure the tail. And then you have to loose the ends with the crochet hook. And you finished your bag. Well, that's all. I hope you like it. You can see that it is a really easy pattern. And remember, if you are new in this channel, remember to subscribe, click on the bell, and see you on the next video.